Well, here we are. Got a delimber, I believe this would be called. That part's pretty conventional excavator stuff. But this, now this is the business end. If you look here, we've got two chainsaws. One on the top. I don't know if you can see that. And then we've got chainsaw on the bottom. We have the grabbing handles of some kind, whatever they would be called. And we have the wheels that would spin and move the log in whichever direction it needs to be done. Then of course this thing probably spins 360 degrees. I don't know if you can just go around once or more than that. Here's some more close-up pictures of what this thing actually looks like. Wow, man. This thing is gnarly. Like I said before in earlier videos, the forest doesn't stand a chance.
And here is that machine in action. This is taken at another time and place, but just to give you an idea of the power of this machine. It's pretty incredible, I'll tell you that. And look, it just flicks the one away. It just goes, grabs another one, and let's do the process all over again. Oh, we got a couple too many. Oh, there we go. Now we got just one. It's pretty wimpy to me, though, so I think we'll just give it a quick cut and get that one little piece off and flick that other little toothpick away.
Now, I believe this is known as a spar tree. We used to drag the logs up the hill. Wow. That's a big machine. Holy cow. And again, here's the business end. The grappling hook. However it picks things up. That would be pretty strong. And then we have to have a hill. Now that's a steep hill. And that's a big machine. Okay, well, we're going to try and climb onto this thing. Let's check it out. Put that thing down while I climb on up here. Holy, ah, there's a big machine. There we go. Made it that far. It's not fall, crash, and burn now, huh? Ooh, look at that, eh? Wow. This thing is huge.
Jeez. Looks like there's one of those old car motors in here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow. It's a cable there.
Look at that. There's a motor there, a generator in the back.
That's a Detroit.
Yeah, Detroit.
Yeah, that's a Detroit 671. That's right like out of a truck. Yeah. Holy, huh? Well, let's have a look inside here. You can't? That's locked, is it?
Look from on here.
Yeah.
I don't know how to open it.
It's locked. But, there you go. Those are the controls, and that would be your view. Wow, that's a long ways up the top there. And that is a very cool view. I mean, wow. Having that view out of your office, that's pretty nice. Okay, well, let's get back up and see what else we can find. Look at this thing. This thing's massive. Wow. I wonder how old this one is. Certainly not a new one. That's for sure. You really have to know your stuff to operate something like this, that's for sure. And of course, that's what it's all about. You can. Well, this would be a loader, I guess.
Okay.
There's the business end of this loader. I can't see if that picture's even taking it.